Hi guys, welcome to our review channel. In this video, we're going to check out some best products on the market. We've made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. For more information and updated pricing, please check out the description below.
Nova 46300 Comet 2 Variable Speed Mini-Lathe 12-inch x 16 1/2-inch, speed range from 250 to 4000 rpm, best in the market. Nova 46300 Comet 2 12-inch x 16.5-inch variable speed midi-lathe is the most versatile and innovative smaller lathe on the market today. Portable and space-saving, yet delivers the capacity and rugged stability of larger machines. Small, space-saving design means the Nova. Central machinery precision mini-lathe. Whether you're turning, counter-facing or making bushings, spindles, prototypes or models, this precision mini-lathe will meet the challenge. With 18 threads, automatic feed and a chuck guard with micro switch, this outstanding ETL-listed mini-lathe is ideal for use in labs, workshops, engineering and educational settings. Automatic feed chuck guard. Erie Tools SP2102 includes the lathe, chuck key, 5-piece carbide tipped cutter kit, internal chuck jaws and external chuck jaws, 11 feed rate gears and owner's manual. Drill, cut and turn metal, wood and plastic parts with precision. Erie Tools Variable Speed 7 inches. X 14 inches. Benchtop mini metal lathe creates precision parts. Variable speed motor adjusts to 2500 rpm in either rotational direction. BestEquip metal lathe. The mini metal lathe bed is made of high-grade iron. Equipped with nylon gears, this lathe machine is wear-resistant, durable, more accurate rotation and professional. Mini metal lathe power of motor, 550W. The full-length splash guard provides maximum protection. Infinitely variable speeds, variable speed from 0 to 2500 rpm, forward and reverse in all speeds. Grizzly G8688 Mini Metal Lathe, 7x 12-inch variable speed. 16 TPI reversible lead screw. Forward and reverse in all speeds. Chip tray and backsplash guard. Threading dial indicator, swing over bed, 7 distance between centers, 12 bore size of included chuck, 16 mm spindle bore, 20 mm spindle nose taper, MT number 3 tailstock taper. MT number 2 tailstock travel, 2.5 cross slide travel, 2 3/4 maximum tool.